Just arrived today. International 9800i X1 Logics unit, still in excellent condition, smooth runner, takes all the gears, it's manual. We are now making your dreams come true, investors. A lot of you have been crying for internationals, and I managed to get all the internationals for you. We're no longer wasting time anymore. You should make sure you hurry and come get this unit right here. 4 in stock. 2 are already here. You can see the interior. It's not that bad. Needs just a new owner and a touch and a beautiful wash. Otherwise, you're ready to go and work. International 9800i. Ready to work for you and make you money. And 2018 with a bang. Summer is coming. Make sure you have your unit when summer comes and start making money. Make sure you invest all your money in assets that produce income, that produce cash flow. And that's what these units are all about, producing cash flow. Work with me, investor, if you're interested in one of these. Let's see what deal we can do as soon as possible, because we're no longer wasting time anymore. Work with me, investor. Work with me.